Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download and install Foundation Galactic Frontier game on PC. So open Chrome and search for Foundation Galactic Frontier and then open Foundation Galactic Frontier official website. And once you are on this website, click on this play on PC. And then this exe file will get downloaded. So click on it. Click yes to allow. Just wait, it is installing. Now you can see the game is getting downloaded. The game size is around 5 GB. And once the game get downloaded, then you can play the Foundation Galactic Frontier game on PC. So by this way you can easily download and install Foundation Galactic Frontier game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.